I poured rice water on my plants for 30 days straight, and what happened to the roots absolutely shocked me. Most people dump this liquid gold down the drain every single day without realizing they're throwing away one of nature's most powerful free fertilizers. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly why you should never waste rice water again. Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow Green and Live Clean. Today I'm sharing the results of my 30-day rice water experiment. I tested this on multiple plants in my organic garden, and the root growth I'm about to show you is honestly incredible. If you're looking for a completely free, sustainable way to supercharge your plants using kitchen waste, stay tuned, because this changes everything. So what exactly is rice water? It's that cloudy, milky liquid you get when you rinse rice before cooking. But here's what most people don't know. This isn't just dirty water. It's packed with starch, nitrogen, phosphorus, amino acids, and B vitamins. When you pour this on your soil, the starch feeds beneficial microbes, creating a living, breathing ecosystem underground. The nutrients get absorbed directly by plant roots. There are two versions, fresh rice water and fermented rice water. Fresh is quick and easy. Fermented takes 24 to 48 hours, but creates a probiotic tonic that's even more powerful for your soil biology. Let me show you both methods. For fresh rice water, just take 1 cup of rice, rinse it in 2 cups of water, and swirl it around until the water turns milky white. Then, strain out the rice. That's it, you've got fresh rice water. For fermented rice water, you basically do the same thing, but let that milky water sit at room temperature for about 24 to 48 hours. You'll know it's ready when it smells slightly sour. That's the fermentation process creating all those beneficial bacteria. I keep mine in a jar with a loose lid so gases can escape. The fermented version is more potent, so we'll dilute it differently. Here are the exact dilution ratios I used, and honestly, this is crucial for success. For fresh rice water, use a 1-to-1 ratio. That means 500 milliliters of rice water mixed with 500 milliliters of plain water. Apply this every 3 to 4 days. For fermented rice water, use a 1-to-3 ratio because it's more concentrated. So that's 250 milliliters of fermented rice water mixed with 750 milliliters of plain water. Apply this once per week. Always water at the soil level, not on the leaves. Pour slowly so the soil can absorb it. I alternated between fresh and fermented throughout my experiment for maximum results. Now let me walk you through what happened week by week. So, week 1, I applied fresh rice water to half my plants and plain water to the control group. Within just a few days, I noticed the rice water plants had slightly darker green leaves. Moving into week 2, the difference became more obvious. The rice water plants showed faster new growth and stronger stems. Alright, week 3 is where it got really interesting. I carefully removed one plant from each group to check the roots, and, oh wow, the rice water plant had noticeably more root branching. Now, moving on to week 4, the final results just blew my mind. Take a look at these roots side by side in clear jars. The rice water plant has almost double the root mass, with thicker, whiter, healthier roots. Meanwhile, the control plant has thin, sparse roots by comparison. So, why did this work so well? Well, the starch in rice water feeds soil microbes, which break down organic matter and make nutrients available to plants. The nitrogen and phosphorus directly fuel root development and overall growth. Plus, the fermented version adds beneficial bacteria that improve soil structure and disease resistance. This isn't just plant food, it's a complete soil ecosystem booster. And the best part? It's completely free and sustainable. You're taking something you'd normally waste and turning it into garden gold. Here's what you need to remember. Save your rice water. Use fresh at a 1-to-1 dilution every 3 to 4 days or fermented at a 1-to-3 dilution weekly. Water at soil level and just watch your plants explode with growth. This is perfect for organic gardeners who want healthier plants without chemicals or expensive products. Try this experiment yourself and let me know your results in the comments below. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more organic gardening experiments just like this. Next week, I'm testing potato water versus rice water head-to-head, so you'll definitely want to see that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.